Welcome back, everybody. My name is Josh Levitan. I am one of our day trading instructors here with Cyber Trading University. Now, this is, of course, a video meant for educational purposes only, and as well as knowing that this video is sped up very, very quickly throughout the market afternoon. This was a very high probability entry that our traders took on AMD, Advanced Micro Device, going into the afternoon of June 21st. So we were watching AMD as it was testing the $14 major resistance level, and you could see it bounced off there twice for the most part. Well, instead of chasing this stock as it finally made its breakout from 1375, we noticed that as it broke over 1375 going into the early afternoon, that we saw tons of buying over that level. Well, when institutional traders and market makers look to invest quite a large amount of money into a stock, we would like to assume that they were looking to hold it over a particular level. Since $13.75 was our pre-market high on this trade, and considering the breakout that we saw, we instead looked for the pullback back down towards that $13.75 now support level. Now, of course, once again, to reiterate, this trade was sped up by times 32 speed. So you could see everything moving incredibly quick. It's just to shorten the length of this video here. Of course, AMD held above the $13.75 support level for quite some time. Now, of course, the reason that AMD would hold over this support level for so long is that market makers are looking to pin this stock down to that level to accumulate more shares, knowing that they could likely take this stock back up towards the highs or even to a new high going throughout the afternoon. So instead of chasing the stock and getting in around 1390, 1380, we ended up seeing this pull down towards that 75-cent level, and it held there for quite some time, allowing our traders to find more than enough time to take an entry. Now, you could see AMD begins to break out a little bit as it pushes up towards $13.90. However, though, it pushes back down towards support. Now, what gave us confidence on this position was that, well, when this eventually drops back down, we'll see right here that this ends up making a higher low from the previous dip towards the 75-cent level. This gives us even more confidence knowing that the afternoon around 3 to 3:30 Eastern Time, we're likely to see one final push in volume in general. And with higher lows, that's a likely sign of continuation of an uptrend. So our traders held on, and as you could see, it ended up making a fantastic push towards this $14 level over time. Now, going into the afternoon, this was meant as a day trade and not necessarily meant as a swing trade. Today is June 22nd, and in the pre-market this morning, we saw AMD gap up, but we ended up seeing the eventual profit taking, which dropped the stock back all the way down towards 1350 before pushing back up later this afternoon now.